To export audio or MP3 in DaVinci Resolve, go to Edit and then edit your project first of all. Now to render, click on Deliver. If you don't see this Deliver option here, then go to Workspace, hover over on Show Page, and here make sure to enable Deliver. Now go to Deliver. In here we have to select audio, so slide to this right side and select audio only, and now click this file name and type a name for your project and click on this browse next to location and select a location where you want to export your project or your audio. Now render, select single clip. If you select individual clips, then in your timeline, if you added multiple audio clips, all of those will export separately. So here we have to select single clip and then go to audio tab, and here make sure to check export audio option. Click on codec and select here MP3 and bitrate strategy. Select here a bitrate. I'm selecting constant bitrate, and track data rate. You can increase or decrease the volume from here. And this is a very important step. Output track. So click on this track drop down, and in your timeline, if you added multiple audio track, then you have to select a specific track to export at the same time. We can't export multiple audio. So if you export multiple track at once, all of your audio will be mess. So select any specific audio. So this is audio track 1. So in my case, I'm selecting here bus 1. Now all you have to do, click on add to render queue, then select the queue and click on render, and we can see the render is started.